I'm really excited about the work that Cockroach is doing on AWS to help customers not only with their mission-critical workloads and transaction management, but now with the vector search capabilities that are built in and are going to be really important to customers as they're trying to integrate their transaction stores in the context of generative AI capabilities. The partnership with Cockroach has been incredible, and we're excited about the growth we're going to be seeing in financial services together. Hi, I'm Peter Williams. I lead our AWS Global Financial Services Partner Sales Technical Team. And what we do is we work with large banks and insurance companies to help them in their migration to AWS. So one of the things that we've learned with Cockroach that's been super exciting is as customers are looking at moving their transactional databases, they're looking at ways that they can reinvent their platforms using a modern platform that operates or can operate as a software as a service, and systematically does things to make sure that they're resilient across multiple regions. One of the challenges that customers often face, especially for high-performance applications, whether it's payments applications or transaction management or trading platforms, is how do you sustain the throughput? We have customers with millions of trades a day. How do they manage the throughput of those transactions in a highly resilient fashion? Some of our very large banking customers were looking at Cockroach and actually implementing it for some of their new business, their new banking applications. And over the course of the past few years, we've started to understand the real differentiator that Cockroach brings. In our experience, customers are excited about how Cockroach enables them to synchronize data so they can actually write to multiple regions, and the ability to capture high performance, high frequency trades. We know customers that are literally using Cockroach for millions of trades across multiple regions. That kind of resiliency is really unparalleled. One of the things that we've seen with Cockroach that is, I think, another real differentiator is the ability to capture data and automatically route it to different regions based on resiliency and data residency requirements. It's got capabilities built in. We're seeing this a lot, especially in Europe, where new regulations are coming out that require data that is, for example, a German citizen, that data needs to be stored in Germany. A French citizen needs to be stored in France for certain types of workloads. Cockroach has been a real help to customers by making that super easy to systematically distribute. So customers didn't have to build an application to do that. They could use Cockroach automatically to enforce those rules. As they're reinventing their data platforms, they're looking at Cockroach across many of our customers. That was super exciting for me to see, and one of the exciting things about working with Cockroach.